Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you a very interesting skill from which you can earn money by giving services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and also you can use this in local market and also use this for your own use. So the skill is mug design, customized mug design. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a customized mug in Canva. So first of all we will go to Fiverr and let's see if there is demand of this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr marketplace. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace from which you can earn good amount of money and by giving your services online. So I write here mug design. I click on this and it will show me how much freelancers are giving this service. So there are only 1528 services available, means 1528 freelancers are providing this service, and this is just a 5 minutes work and you can earn good amount of money. So we will open one of the gig and let's analyze that which is offering in the services. So I open Fiverr choice. I will design awesome mug design. I will open this in the new window and let's see what he is offering. So this designer is also a Fiverr choice. So in only $10 he will provide one awesome mug design with 300 DPI PDF plus PNG plus JPG files. So this is a good deal, and this is just 2 or 3 minutes work. We will learn in this video how we can do this. So you can also read his description, so you can analyze and make your gig according to it. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's move to Canva part for designing. So I will go to Canva home. Here you can also search in search bar, or I can click on create a design and in last no, so I write here mug. So it will give me different options. So mug, click on this and it will show in the next window. It takes some time for loading, so let's wait for some seconds. So this is the main canvas of the mug where our design is print. So this is the front side of the mug and this is the other side of the mug. So I want to write some motivation on make motivational type. So I click on this and first of all I will go to photos and here I write motivation. So I click on this image and in edit photos and I remove the background of this image. So it is like this, remove background. I will also teach you this in the next in the previous video. So if you don't know how to remove background, you can learn this from previous video. So this is not removed properly, so I can use this one. No, that's not good. Back. I click on background remover and that's it. You can also use eraser tool and remove this type. So no, that's not look good, so I delete this image and I change some other like this. Yeah, that's a good image, so I paste it here and I click on this button, and this is the other side of the mug, and here I write a quote which is keep going jam. That's it. So as you can see how easily we can design this mug. You can also use your own creativity and design, make different designs on mug, and create a beautiful design and start selling on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.